Energy drinks are popular with athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Sometimes even non-exercising individuals are found consuming it to combat the 4 p.m. energy slump. When temperatures are rising, these drinks are chosen over water due to their sweet taste. Recently, it was brought to my notice that a certain highly priced imported brand becoming popular with school-going kids to the point of them getting addicted to it. So let's check the ingredients and safety profile. Commonly, energy drinks contain sugar or artificial sweeteners, caffeine and taurine, coconut water, vitamins and minerals, and amino acids and alertness boosting herbal blends. Let's talk about sugar. We already know that sugar fattens and is an addictive substance in all its forms, natural and synthetic. Artificial sweeteners may cause health issues barring a few. Caffeine may be safely consumed by adult athletes in planned doses. Consumption can make you jittery and cause dehydration. Caffeine is not advised for children under 12. 100 milligrams is the cutoff for youth between 12 to 18 years of age. Brain function boosting herbal blends are best avoided. They are not regulated by the FDA. The amount, purity, and source of these ingredients are always questionable. Amino acids, including taurine, salts, vitamins, and minerals, are essential for active individuals. The amounts required again must be planned by a qualified dietitian. Energy drinks must not be confused with sports drinks. Sports drinks usually have lesser sugar, roughly 6%, more minerals, and are consumed during the activity. Hydration formulas are always customized by experts to meet individual athlete needs based on an assessment and subsequent trials. Electrol might be too aggressive while coconut water might be too mild. Bottom line, whether it is an energy or sports drink, don't damage your health behind an energy shot. There are healthier ways to boost it.